Hello, this is Nick Cranky, your trusted friend in the home loan biz. And in today's video, we're going to take a closer look at the areas that are eligible for the zero down payment USDA guarantee housing home loan that we do. So this is an email that I sent to you, and what you do is you click search map by address. Click here. That will bring you to this page. And in the upper left here, where it says single family housing guarantee, you click on that. That will bring you to the whole U.S., where you could zoom into your area of choice, or you could input the address exactly right here. So let's look at the Seattle area. As it says here on the map, the yellow area is the ineligible area. So if you want to go closer to where you've been looking, so let's look around Lake Tapps area. So you can see, all of Lake Tapps is eligible, but if you're closer towards these edges, you're definitely going to want to punch in your address to see. And this is based off of population, and the Puget Sound area certainly is growing. So before you put an offer on a house, and if we have you pre-approved for this loan program, you definitely want to punch in the address to see. Anyhow, give me a call. I'm here to help, and this is Nick Cranky, your trusted friend in the home loan business, and thank you so much for taking the time to listen to this video. I'm here to help.